Yeah, back here, the safe shoulder. I thought I'd buy something else. We buy a SWAT Officer from Revell, but to be honest, it's the old ICM kit. And Revell have the rights or something, I don't know, but suddenly this thing was on the market. It's from 2018, so years ago, but I found this one for €7, and I thought, well, for €7, I want to buy it, of course. The artwork is nice, but the back side of this package is a little bit better. If you can see real pictures of the figure and how to make it, how to paint it, of course, and the colors what you need. There's a lot of blue in it. I didn't use that, but that's your own problem if you want to use that or not. So put this thing away. Then we see the figure itself, but we have an instruction guide. Really simple. If you can see that, it's really here's the parts, how to make it. The painting guide is a huge manual guide, but yeah, we have some choosers of stones where you can put it on. I have that one, but you also have 3 of those. And then how to build it, and well, it's really simple. You can put the whole thing in half an hour together. The painting, of course, is the much more work of this thing. Well, that's really simple, to be honest. I must say it's absolutely a lovely thing. And if you can see, I painted the camouflage color, of course, a lot of green and a little bit brown. Then I used it, of course, my dark tone stuff. Dark tone is really great, and well, you get it result. The whole green is matte color, and yeah, I use a lot of glossy shining. It's black, so it looks like a little bit is wet. Maybe he's in the rain or something, we don't know. The eyes are a little bit ugly. That's the reason I don't paint faces, to be honest, on my small figures. If you can see, there are my small figures. But for what it is, for €7, I read that the new price of this thing was €20, and that's a little bit, well, a little bit is absolutely a stupid price for this thing. €10 or so is good, but for 7 it's great. And we have a handgun, if you can see, and the R15 or something, what it is also included, of course. Well, that's it. You cannot play with it or something. We have some hulses, or how do you call it, ammo stuff on the bricks where you're standing on. Also a little bit of blood. Yeah, that's my pervert life here, but yeah. The back side of the figure is also great, of course, with a radio on it, and with a little bit of an antenna there. What not included was this band for his spectacles, his glasses. So I have to make that myself. I don't know why that is in the kit, or is not in the kit, but you can really make it simple. A little bit of plastic there, and I painted it, and it's ready. Well, the SWAT figure is nice, but way too expensive for €20. Don't do that. Wait if you can see this thing for a small price, and don't get foolish, because they also on the sprues there was the real name ICM on it, no Revell or nothing. So it's really cheap for Revell to make this model, but we people, we have to buy €20 for this thing. I don't want that. That's a little bit stupid. The microphone of his head is also included, of course, but for what it is, it's a great little figure. You cannot play with it, well, maybe a little bit, but yeah, it's for you. Okay, that was my little bit of a kind of review on this old kit from 2018. But I built it in between, and I thought, well, you have to see that or not. Join my Facebook, of course, www.thesafesoldier, and leave a comment. My English is still rubbish. I don't care, I don't know, but that's the truth. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.